Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode. It is Sierra with Bayash Travel, and today I'm going to dive into the most requested topic: how to travel with kids without losing your mind. Whether you're planning your first family vacation or you are trying to make your next vacation smoother, I'm going to give you tons of tips from packing hacks to travel destinations. So go ahead, grab your snack and a notebook because we're gonna dive right into it. If you haven't already, go ahead, click that like button, subscribe to this channel, and let's jump right into it. So first we're gonna jump into what do you actually need when taking your kids on vacation. So first I'm gonna talk about the toddlers. When you have a toddler in mind, you're gonna want a lightweight stroller or maybe noise cancellation headphones. When I see a lot of kids and babies, their moms have diaper organizers. They have reusable snack containers and maybe even just mini toys that they haven't used in a while. Just because you have so many toys at home, take a look and find something that they haven't seen in a long time. When it comes to the bigger kiddos, they still need different activities to do, like a tablet with headphones or even coloring books so that they have a balance of technology and fun. You can even add in a blanket pillow combo for an easy pack and go. For toddlers and bigger kids, they all want their snack containers, so make sure you put their favorite snacks inside. You can find all of my recommendations at my Amazon link in the description below. Now, if you really want to save your bag, try not packing everything. Pack less, because you can instead use Babyquip to rent all of your gear at your destination. Think crib, car seat, stroller, even high chair and toys, so much more. Everything that you need. So why not get it shipped directly to your hotel? They'll deliver straight to your hotel or Airbnb. It's all cleaned, trusted, and ready to use. Use my Babyquip link in the description below to book your gear and save on your trip. Whether you're flying or on a road trip, you want to make sure that you have all the preparations and rotations ahead of time. And let's talk about that. Tip number 1. On your traveling day, you want to make sure that you bring a lot of snacks, games, and screen time. Don't give it all at once. Give it out in a short increment. So say that you have a 9-hour drive. Every hour, switch up the activities so that it keeps it more involved with your kids and they don't get everything all at once and get bored. Tip number 2, at the airport, let your kids run around and play. Yes, that sounds crazy, but in the airport, you're going to allow them to have more freedom and space to run around so that once they get on the airport or the airplane, they're actually going to sleep. That's what you want, especially on those long times. So give them a little bit of some energizing fun. Maybe do some yoga or some stretching activities with the whole family. And finally, tip number 3, the day of the trip. If you're doing a road trip, how about audiobooks, playlists, or even scavenger hunts to bring along for the whole family to enjoy? One thing that you must check out if you're doing a road trip is on my Amazon must-have list is going to be a tray table. They have activity tray tables for the kids, but they also have food tables that are perfect for the adults so that you guys can have so much that you need in a compact car.
Here, matching bedazzled shirts are worn proudly. Homework disappears. Business suits become bathing suits. And young ones are granted new power. Because this place changes you. Princesses get the royal treatment. Siblings call truces. And dad jokes are actually funny. Robots crown new heroes. And phones are forgotten, at least for a little while. Fireworks paint the sky every night. And hand-holding makes a comeback every day. Here, anything is possible, as long as you can imagine it. And that's what makes Orlando unbelievably real.
All right, so now you've got the gear, you've got the snacks, and you're ready for the day trip. But where are you gonna go? Boyo's Travel has you covered. Today, I'm now gonna give you the top 3 destinations for family friendly in the US. So let's go ahead and dive into those. Number 1 I have for you. This one is something for every group. If you have a multi-generation family, meaning you have your great granny to your So if you have people in your age groups ranges from 60 to 6, we are going to get you covered here in Orlando. There is something for everybody. With Orlando being home to Disney, Universal, and even Crayola and Gatorland. They have so much to do here, from nature to activities for the kids. So why not enjoy Orlando? But as you see, I also have a quote for you to take a look and see just how affordable Orlando could be. If this is a destination that's been on your family's bucket list, go ahead and tag me in your next vacation, or go ahead and reach out to me at boyostravel.org today.
When you're smiling, when you're smiling, when you're smiling, when you're smiling, and the whole world smiles with you. Smiles with you. And when you're laughing, oh, when you're laughing, then the sun comes shining through. Oh, when you're smiling, keep on smiling, and the whole world smiles with you. Find your smile in San Diego.
Now my next destination is San Diego. We're going to take you all the way to the West Coast. This destination is so unique because it has a family-friendly resort atmosphere with a kid-friendly vibe. This is perfect for a mix of luxury plus friends and family activities. Why not first enjoy a day exploring the zoo? This is perfect. Here you can do a zoo trip, you can do Legoland, and enjoy the beach all at the same time. San Diego is not far from Disneyland, so you can make that another day trip and you can do multi-cities in one. The final destination is so unique because this is an educational destination that you probably wouldn't necessarily think to be a family-friendly destination. Washington, D.C. is the perfect educational, fun destination. Why? Because you have one of the most fun museums, and most of them are free. They have national zoos, they have paddle boats, and just the monuments that you are not going to want to miss. This is something that you guys, if you haven't been before, you can go with your friends and family and just create a lifetime of memories. If you're looking to find the perfect destination and these still don't excite you, contact Boyo's Travel. I will personally research and find the perfect destination that suits your family. Right now is the perfect time to start planning for 2026 and even 2027. Yes, we're able to start planning those groups today. Now, when it comes to planning and research, Boyo's Travel does not stop there. We do more than just research the destination. We find activities and we give you packing lists, things to know before you go. So for once, when you go to a destination, plan ahead of time. Plan for the event per day. Maybe plan one main event per day, and then sprinkle in a little downtime in between your cities so that you're able to have some enjoyment and not feel jam-packed or even tired once you get back home from your vacation. Think splash pads, think pools at the hotel, or even just simple activities like sticker books or downtime with your family, like cards. Find something to do that is intimate with your family, but not necessarily take away from being at the resort or accommodation that you have. Another tip, when you're in a tourist destination, a lot of places have kids eat free. So check out some of the buffets or some of the restaurants that allow kids to eat free. You might even have your new favorite restaurant. All right, so now that I've given you snacks, activities, where to go, what to do, I hope all of this has helped make your next vacation way more smoother and way more fun. If you have enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and share it to one of your friends and family members who is looking to plan the family vacation. Let them know that I can help them with that stress, and so we can plan it together at BelloStravel.org. If you haven't already, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any other videos just like this where I break down how to plan your trip. Remember, I'm here to help you plan your trip and make it way smoother, as well as give you guys an excitement. Look forward to something when it comes to back to school. Let's start planning for 2026 and get these kiddos ready for the vacations. Don't forget to check out my Baby Quip link and my Amazon link in the description link below. That's a lot of links. But make sure you check them out so that you don't miss any other updates. I always provide you guys with the ease of travel and helping you guys travel with luxury. So next time, pack lighter and pack smarter when you travel with the kids. I'll see you guys on the next episode. Bye!
We have a great product in the shop that we're excited to share with you. Check it out on our site. We've got something to share. We're really proud of our product and are excited to make it available on our website. Check it out now.